Hi, welcome to Exclusive Real Estate. Today I am showing you an exclusive property of 4 BHK which is available for sale in Dadar West near Portuguese Church. The carpet area of this 4 BHK flat is 2000 square feet and it comes with 2 car parking. You will also get a private terrace or barbecue area along with this flat. Now I will show you the entire flat from the entrance. So once you enter into this 4 BHK flat, on this side you have the first bedroom. On my left side there is a beautiful puja room. On this side you have the second bedroom or master bedroom. This is the deck area, and from here there is the staircase where you will get an access to the private barbecue area as well as the terrace area. On that side I will show you how spacious and big the massive the living and dining area is. On this side you will get the view of Banda Valley ceiling and you will get the partial sea view. On this side you will get the view of Portuguese Church as well as the city view. On this side, east side, you will get the view of harbour facing. On that side, on the north side, you will get the view of Matunga side. So this flat is replayed with sunlight and ventilation. Now I am going to show you what is on both the sides. So earlier there was a dining table over here. Now I am entering into this bedroom. So once you enter into this bedroom, on the left side you have the washroom, and here you can place your bed. There you have the AC, and from here you will get the view of city. On this side you have the study table, and on my right side there is a beautiful wardrobe. Now come with me, we will explore more. On this side, on my right side, there is a beautiful kitchen. You will see how exclusively this kitchen has been designed. You will see refrigerator has installed here, and chimney is also here. The unique thing about this kitchen is that owner has made a separate dry area on this side, and there is a washroom over here. On this side you have another bedroom. Here you can place the bed, and from this side you will get the view of Banda Valley ceiling as well as you will get the partial sea view. Now we are going to explore more what is on that side. So please come with me and don't skip the video. Now I am going to show you the remaining parts of this flat. So this was a door from you have entered into this flat. Now on this side you have a bedroom which is quite spacious with an attached washroom and with the view of Banda Valley ceiling. You can see the view is awesome and the wardrobe is quite exquisite. And now I am entering into the master bedroom of this flat. So once you enter, on this side you have an attached washroom. On my right side you will see the wardrobes, how beautifully this has been designed. This is your study table, and here you can place your bed. You will get the view of Banda Valley ceiling from. Thanks for watching Exclusive Real Estate. Please call us for price and more details. It was an immense pleasure talking to you.